marked. This John Mark's Mugs. Send out one of our black mug stags. This stag is going to Mr. Ty. Mr. Ty, you wanted a dark stag, and you wanted one about 4'10". I went in just waiting. This rooster's about 4'7". Great station on this rooster though. Healthy. He's marked. Double left. Wing band number 0562. Looks like 0562. Super attitude. Like I said, just a baby. Got a black face on him. You'll like him. Appreciate it, brother.